Heading to Kentucky.
Lexi.slides! Oh wait, hold on, let me back up. I started on that one. Oh no, I'm scared. I don't know, I'm not having a good day on it today, so I'm gonna be on it. I feel loosey-goosey.
No. I feel like I'm late.
You are late. Stacker's loaded. And the STO's on top, we pulled it in, but we backed the Evo in.
No way.
Yeah.
It worked.
Maybe
Race
it helps
ramps?
helps the weight distribution. If you will.
Oh, yeah, rear engine. I didn't even realize you guys were bringing both of these. It's freaking sick.
Yeah, we're dropping the STO off at.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, tell them what you're doing. We got to leak a little bit.
We're gonna drop the car off at Exotic Autosport and have twin turbine chargers put on it.
Twin turbine charges.
Forced induction. Nah, ain't no thing. I took them both for riding the STO.
God
damn! God damn! He said, I can feel it in my intestines.
That's awesome.
Yo, I said right here be fun.
Yeah.
Right here be fun, boss man. Drop me off.
Yeah. Wes loading it. It was a pain in the ass to load it. And Wes said, yes, main reason I ain't bought one yet. Right.
What do we got in there?
Got some Z1 deliveries, some dirty graphics, a scooter, all 9 yards, buddy.
Hell yeah. This is what we need to spice up the video. We just need Lewis to show up.
Give you the commentary you needed.
Surprised you didn't have these things strapped to your back on a Harley.
I know, right? Front lift.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Nice, little splitter.
Do you know what fragile means?
Frazzle.
Fragile?
Fragile, it's Italian.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Another one. Let's see what's in the box. Another box. Nissan, we're getting some OEM stuff, huh? All right, big reveal. Oh, the Sylvia tail.
What are we thinking? $1,000?
What fit? Yeah, dude. I mean, $1,000 was the first bid on this bad boy. Are you kidding me?
That's
They
insane.
probably ran his credit to buy that tail light. That's crazy. I think these are your side skirts. Yeah.
Oh hell yeah.
Nice.
Hell, right?
Your headlight. Your tail light.
Yeah, how much did that cost?
You tell it?
Yeah.
Take it, guys.
I'm putting it at 1250.
I was gonna say like $750.
$750, $1250. What do y'all think for a 1999 Nissan taillight
Actually OEM?
OEM?
No way.
For a car that was never sold in the U.S.
I don't know, maybe even more now.
Oh yeah, shipping might be 1600.
Say 1200.
$4,060.
Shut the f up.
For that?
You're lying, dude. No way.
Where's my tail light?
For an OEM one.
Good night. That's my
You
husband.
put any
it's
fingerprints on that thing?
Keep that away
Oh,
from
okay,
Denver.
stop, dude.
$300.
I really believed you.
Yeah.
It's $300.
Nice. Wow. Yeah.
Okay. We're heading to Nashville to pick up some tires. Then to Bowling Green for Import Alliance. Lexi's new car hauler, both drift cars on there, and her Platinum 450. Then we got my truck stacker, both Lambos in there. Set up and drift for Import Alliance. Then Sunday on the way home, dropped the STO off at Exotic Autosport for some performance modifications. Shout out Boost Logic. S15's still with Andrew at Knox Power. That car will be done body wise, I'd say by the end of next week.
The decision was made that it's staying a part of the Holman household.
Yes.
So.
Yeah, I got roasted when I posted for sale, so I thought, wow.
Yeah, what the heck?
I'll show y'all. All right, let's roll.
Okay.
All right.
Ready?
See you there.
Heading to Kentucky.
We made it.
Heck yeah. First lap's coming up. What do you think you're gonna work on this time compared to last time?
Instead of being so just concerned with like carrying the drift through the turn, I'm gonna try and be like outside edge.
Yep.
And
Work on the line.
work on a better line. Yeah.
Heck yeah. What about you? What are you working on this time on the track?
Pulling a handbrake, baby.
Nice.
I'm pretty sure the last time we were out here, mine wasn't working.
Yeah, I don't think it
But
was.
I was hitting third gear for the first time ever on a track on this track last time. So we've got that down. We're gonna start pulling some handbrake for sure.
Purchase your track today.
lap of my career.
No way. Sent it.
Yeah, I've just had a small.
This bumper and you had a thing today.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah, who needs fender liners?
Yeah, buddy. Now watch this.
Oh, it's up here too now. Watch your head. This part. Yep. Bang.
It's been a day.
You were shredding.
Oh, okay, you're showing cores. Discount tire approved, baby. Yes, sir.
It's crazy. I bought them yesterday. Go cry in your G-Wagon.
I'm so mad at you for that.
Oops.
You have like, anytime I'm upset, I can't even be upset.
That needs to be a bumper sticker.
I gave him the fucking best cop out of all time.
Anytime I cry about anything, minor, this much, he could be at total fault.
What was he saying?
When is that
Go
ever
cry in your
happen?
G-Wagon.
Go cry in your G-Wagon. I mean, where's the put it?
What did I do? I jump in it and I take off and go cry.
I know. We'll argue about something and she leaves the house before I do. Bro, I need to stand on that. I need to be able to leave.
He
I
says
need you
that
to hear the
shit.
car
Steal my
start
stomp
up,
out.
oh,
Yeah.
and then me leave
How many
angry.
times have I done that?
Twice? Once? Was it once? I don't know. It's frustrating.
Well, next time an argument starts, just jump in your car.
No,
Don't even
no,
argue,
start
just take
immediately.
off.
I'm like, what you saying?
Trip her and then run after.
Like, say it again.
I'm gonna start hiding all the keys.
That's what it is.
Yeah, thank you guys for coming out. Let's do a recap. Recap for the day. A bunch of people came out. It was cool. Before the lines. I didn't go look at any cars. Did you?
No.
I looked at the ones kind of parked at the main area.
Yeah. Big track only today. We had some like quirks to work out for sure this morning. Took a hot minute, but we eventually got good. It was a good day.
Center hard today.
Sure did. First trip with it is 53 foot. Not that one actually. It's
On those,
the open trailer. Yep. Family, friends.
and Lewis.
That's it. We'll see y'all at the next event.